welcome guys to day 3 of Vlogmas, and today is a really exciting day because I've been waiting for this day to come for so long and I'm out of breath because I just ran up the stairs. But me and my mum are going to central London today to see all the cute Christmas displays. So I think Covent Garden, Thornton Mason, Liberty, Oxford Street, Carnaby Street, like those sorts of like popular places, and I'm going to take loads of photos, take you guys along with me and show you what's going down, to be honest. So it's going to be a lot like my Vlogmas intro, so if you're waiting for that sort of excitement, then today is the day, kids. But before we leave and have some fun, I need to do some chores this morning. So that includes changing the bed sheets, hoovering and bits and bobs like that. So if you saw what I did in my weekly vlog in October, then you know what sort of bits I'm doing. So let's get started. Yay, I can't speak today. My room is now clean and tidy. Yay! I just washed my floors, hoovered them, and then I've also watered my cacti because they're in desperate need of help and they were looking really sad and dry. And then I've got my Christmas duvet. This is probably one of my favourites. It's from Asda, and it's just got reindeer or fawns or whatever, Christmas trees, candy canes, tinsel, everything you could possibly love about Christmas. I'm feeling super extra with my makeup today. I decided to go for my favourite pink and blue shimmery eye look just to sort of match my jumper and my trousers, which I absolutely love. Both are from Primark, absolutely bargains, and I absolutely love them. I probably think I'm going to wear my Doc Martens today and my pink teddy bear coat and my favourite star bag. I just hope it doesn't rain like it was going to predict early this afternoon. But I feel like now, before I get going, it's time to open the Heroes Advent Calendar. Yay, 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 yay. I absolutely love this one, like I said yesterday. And number 3 is right here. So let's see. It's quite a big door, actually. Might be an eclair. Or a whisper. Who knows? Oh, it's a caramel. And it's got a little snowflake. Yes, another one of my favourites. That's half the size in the packet. Woo! Just a quick outfit of the day. Got the Doc Martens on, my trousers, my top and my coat, and my parrot is screaming forever. So yes, absolutely love it. Hopefully you get some cute outfit photos. I might as well kill 2 birds with 1 stone and try and get my Secret Santa present today. So if I do, I will show you at the end of this video. And Parrot, Basil, please be quiet. Okay, let's go! see, I'm now back from central London. I had the absolute best time at seeing all the windows and displays, and I took a lot of pictures and clips, which I hope you guys enjoyed. And I just want to show you guys before I end this Vlogmas today, here, my secret Santa present. I managed to find the two perfect things and a really cute card for my secret Santa, and I want to show you guys quickly, and I hope, well, I don't think she watches my videos, so I'm going to show you anyway. I managed to pop into Urban Outfitters on Oxford Street, and they gave me the cutest, most amazing reusable cotton bag. I think it's made of cotton, but I can't see inside what the material is because there's no label. So I basically got this book, which is Your Illustrated Guide to Becoming One with the Universe, because she loves like astrology and crystals and stuff like that, so I thought that was really cute, and it's really light-hearted and funny, and I just think the illustrations are like really pretty as well. And then I also got a reusable water bottle, if I can get it out, and yeah, I feel like this is her aesthetic, and I picked it up because she kept dropping hints at work that she wanted one of these, so I thought I'd get one for her. I'm sure if she's not watching this, she'd work out it was me anyway. So yeah, and I also got this really cute card saying may your Christmas be filled with joy and wine, because I know she drinks, so yeah. I think that's just the really cutest Christmas present for Secret Santa ever. So I think now I'm just going to chill for the rest of the afternoon and watch YouTube and bits like that. And it's only literally like 3 o'clock. So I've got the rest of the day to edit this and put this up tonight. So if you guys enjoyed this Vlogmas and you love seeing all the Christmas displays in central London, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell below to get updates when I upload my next Vlogmas video. I will see you guys next vlog. I was gonna say next week. I keep saying that because it's such like an automated thing whenever I do my videos. I will see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas video. Bye bye.